And perhaps it is because of statements like these that violent protesters get emboldened, because look at the audacity, the evidence of which is now coming to fore. None other than the DIG of BSF is bearing witness to the kind of attacks that even the forces came under from a mob that ran riot without any fear, seemingly without any fear of any action that they could likely face. Listen in to BSF DIG as he recounts how petrol bombs were hurled at his soldiers.
शायद आप घोसपाड़ा वाली जो इंसिडेंट हुआ है उसकी चर्चा कर रहे हैं। हाँ, वहां लेंस बाय लेंस में हमारे ट्रूप्स गए थे, वहां पे उनके तरफ चारों तरफ से अटैक हुआ था, पेट्रोल बम से, पत्थरों से, लाठियों से। तो ये स्थिति थी। वहां पे नौबत इतनी खराब आई थी कि शायद वहां पे हमें बल प्रयोग करना पड़ा। हमें वहां पे कुछ फायरिंग, लोगों को डराने के लिए और उनको भागने के लिए मजबूर करने के लिए हमने हवा में गोलियां वहां पे चलाई थी।
My colleague is now joining us for more on this. Tejashree, it goes on to show the kind of emboldenment, the kind of sense of impunity that these rioters had when they were not even scared of hurling petrol bombs at cops.
Well, absolutely, and in fact, the kind of visuals that we saw, the ambulances were also even not spared, the houses were vandalized, and the kind of violence that took place, that was seriously very much concerning. And in fact, to protest against that violence, to protest against those exodus, and to protest against the stand that the West Bengal government, Mamata Banerjee and TMC Mamata Banerjee's TMC has been taking. BJP is holding a massive protest here at the College Street from where we are reporting, and we'll straight show you the visuals as to what is happening over here at the College Street. Massive rally has been planned by the BJP. This particular rally is not just a rally, but it is also a protest that the BJP is holding. And in fact, you can see that in your visuals. Sukanta Mujumdar, Suvendu Adhikari, all the leaders are here in the rally holding a protest. And in fact, you can also see Rahul Sinha, the BJP MP, Samik Bhattacharya, all of them are present in this particular rally, sending out a strong message to the government. And in fact, while speaking from the stage as well, Suvendu Adhikari mentioned that the Hindus need to be united. This is what the message that he had sent to the people of Bengal. And in fact, he also stated that this particular rally is not just against the teacher recruitment scam, but it is also against the violence that took place in Murshidabad. Remember that more than 150 people have been arrested in this particular case. You can also see that the people